What is up? Alright, so update on the brake lines and everything that we were doing in the last vlog. If you didn't see that, go to the last vlog and check it out. We took everything off the calipers, took the brake lines apart, took the heat shield out. Not we, pretty much a Recio. So let me clarify that real quick. And then we went ahead and got some custom brake lines made. So these are the custom brake lines right here. Pretty badass looking. Not too bad. Same with the other side. Got a 90 to go directly to the master cylinder. And the other sides are, you know, for AN fittings.
Alright, I'm gonna spray in these down, make sure they're clean. Stuff's not cheap. Brake cleaner, $5 a can.
Is it really?
Oh yeah, it's pretty expensive.
We got the car completely on jacks, all the wheels off. We're gonna be flushing the brake system on top of that, re-bleeding it. Obviously we have to since we took all the lines off. Almost there, guys. Still got to get a few more tires to make it to the event. But as of right now, once this is done, the only thing we need to do is basically locate tires. Look at this weather, guys. It's been like that all week. You know what? I actually love rainy days. It's usually a great thing. Rain is like your best friend when you're a drifter, especially when you're a budget drifter trying to save tires. And it's literally been raining all week. However, I've been holding off since, you know, I gotta do a few more maintenance and different things in the car. And then I need to save all my tires for the event. I can't just waste my tires right now, but whatever. Right now we need to get this, get these brakes together. Got to get a little heat shield for one of the brake lines in the front because it's really close to my downpipe. Hopefully all we got to do is get these tires. Got my homie Lazardi. He's gonna hopefully sell me a pair of tires. And then I'm gonna go check out another tire shop real quick. So I'm actually gonna let him do his job. I'm over here bugging him. Just let him finish this up real quick so we can bleed it. And we'll get to it. See? There goes the rain already. I need to be out there sliding, guys. Sliding. Alright, we got the lines all routed up. New line here. New line here. See that? Looks really nice. Those are all custom lines. Made in the USA. America. Anyway, hard to see without any light. But we have the other line underneath the steering column and to the e-brake. So all we got to do now is bleed the system, I believe. Alright, so we're about to put the wheels on. Actually, got those spacers that we were talking about in the last video. Alright guys, we got all the wheels on. Brakes are bled. New brake lines. No more hard lines. We have one hard line left actually, but that's okay. We're gonna change that later. And cleaning up the interior. We got everything ready so far. Ordered the tires. The tires should be here, hopefully, fingers crossed, by Friday. At least they'll come. If they do come up by Saturday, we should get them in the afternoon and still have enough time to have them mounted before the event. So, all right, I'm gonna give this thing a quick test drive and check the brakes. And then we will see you next time. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to RWD Status. You know, like always, it would be amazing if you give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And tune in next time. Don't forget, we have more updates with the epic RB30 build, the rare king of RBs. So thanks for tuning in guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks.